Hi peas, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I know I've been missing, but it's been a minute and I'm here back with another recipe. So today's vlog, I'm gonna be showing you a simple bean curry recipe. So here is a preview of our ingredients. First, we have the beans itself, yellow beans to be precise. We have some tomatoes, some sweet pepper, some tomato, onions, mchuzi mix, mixed spices, and tomato paste. All those who are Kenyans in the building, you all know that mchuzi mix is just the real deal. That's just the game changer. With that, your food just slaps. So let's just dive into the process. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and share. So first of all, I'll go in with my onions. So we're just gonna stir fry them until they turn a bit golden brown, not that much, just a bit. As soon as they begin to turn, just add in your tomatoes. For me, I also usually like prefer half cooked onions. I don't know what's your preference, let me know in the comment section. Yes, so now I've added in my tomatoes. So I half of my tomatoes I chopped them and the rest I blended them. For those who know, here any recipe of mine, my signature is just using blended tomatoes. So I'll just go in with the blended tomatoes. The purpose of these live tomatoes is just to make the soup thick and the stew thick. Yeah, so we're just gonna stir fry them, give it some time to cook. Yeah, then next I'll go in with my tomato paste, as you can see over here. So the reason why I'm using tomato paste is because the onions that I bought, the tomatoes that I bought were not that red, and you guys just know, for me, I love red tomatoes, so I just had to have some backup. I was not like satisfied, so I went in with the tomato paste as well. Then next thing, I'll go in with the mchuzi mix. Chuzi mix is a spice from Kenya. Then I'll go in with my mixed spices, things like cumin, garlic, and all of that, crushed mixed spices. Then I'll add salt and some curry powder, and that will just be it. So this is just a way of making tasty beans without just having to eat the normal beans, the normal style. Yeah, I know how it can just be boring. So now I've gone in with the beans. Yeah, yellow beans is my favorite bean. So if you just pay me a visit, just know that's the type of beans you're gonna eat, either that or the white beans. Yeah, so I'm now mixing it up. As you can see, it looks so delicious, so scrumptious. Also, I used the broth that I used to boil the beans. I did not pour all of it because I just wanted the unique and original color, because just adding water would have just made it colorless and it will not be cutesy and demure. So here is our beans already simmering. So I've already added in my sweet pepper, or what do I call it? Hey, I've not done a vlog until my mind has just gone factory resetting. I'll just write in the comments. So now very last thing you're going to add is your cooking cream. Yes, so if you don't have cooking cream, you can use either plain yogurt cooking cream or just milk or coconut milk, whatever. So for me, I did cooking cream. So here I've just added it in. Look at how it looks so beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Also guys, connect with me on my WhatsApp channel so that you can be able to talk more in. Guys, follow my WhatsApp channel on WhatsApp. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Let's just get into interact in depth there.